So now it's time to take it out for a little ride, make sure I've got everything working right. It's going to work. And actually, first thing I noticed right off is when you step on the accelerator, when you're going slow, it used to have kind of a jerky movement when it took off. It's very smooth now for some reason. I'm not sure if it's something with the controller, batteries, or something, but definitely a slight difference. Speed and everything else is about the same. And we don't go too far with it. Like this field here, we'll ride around. We drive it a while, we park it, it recharges. We drive it a while, park it, recharges. And pretty much for a year, the battery always remained at 100%. We never go that far. But yeah, it does ride nice. Doesn't seem to go any fast or anything. Just seems to be smoother, the acceleration on it. And I'll show you now. Besides putting 0.9 amps in, a very slow charge, but you can see the differential is 0.003 or 0.004. So just like all the WattCycle batteries I've got, this seems to be about the same. So I was lucky to get to try this one out, and I tell you what, I think it's it's going to be the best one yet for the golf cart.